The Mrs. Chen grandmother was admitted to hospital. She asked about her grandmother condition, whether she's able to overcome this. Okay, Mrs. Cheng is the asker. She is asking related to the grandmother. That means we cannot say that this is a subject. That means there's one tier above. Once they are asking about somebody else, it's another tier already. So this grandmother is somebody senior. So we need to go into this E. So the E is the grandmother. The grandmother is over here. So we identify it as a GM, not general manager, is grandmother. So grandmother, then in the health question, we also need to see something else. We need to see the problem star. Problem star is the main indicator. So the problem star, we look at everything over there. Tell us a situation about the health condition. Okay. There's another thing that we can also see. We can look at the answer too, if we are not very sure. You look at the answer, tell us what is the answer. Okay, so basically, these are the basic information that we need to see first. First thing first, we see this chart. Okay, this is a Boeing chart. So based on question, it said long, painful, draggy. Okay, so which means that we can foresee that the condition is going to be pretty long. It's going to be dragged on and on. It's not going to be immediately there's a solution. Next, we look at the grandmother. Her current situation is box number 6. Open door and night of. Just now we learned already, open door, night of means you're opening up the grave. So the grandma in such case is opening up the grave. So in this case, the GM grandmother is not a good thing. That means we make our cross first. Next, we look at the problem star. The problem star, we have a death door. The death door is also no good, so it gives us another indication. There's a leader there, but and the leader really helps. So the death door is going to be tell us the big picture. And there's a horse also. Horse means, this is talking about the health. The health itself is, horse means not stable. That means it's in a very unstable situation for the health. So that is for the problem star, that means health issue. Next, we look at the answer. If you look at the answer, it's also a death door with problem. So grandmother, no good. Problem star, no good. Answer, no good. 3 of them pointing one direction is going to be no good. Then the next thing we also have to take into consideration. Box 2 is the problem star. Box 2 is producing the grandmother. That means if I were to look at from a perspective, that door is coming to the grandmother. So another indication saying that the death door is moving towards. Yes, it's producing, but in this situation, we are saying that it's moving towards the person, it's coming to the person, and the death is coming. So from that angle, 4 indications saying that this person, this grandmother, is not going to survive, but it's not going to be immediate. It's going to drag on and on and on and on. That means probably it could be in ICU or it could be in the hospital and maybe will not wake up, you know. So it's a matter of what's their family going to do about it. Okay, Marvin said even the Tai Sui also increase the energy. Yes, the Tai Sui also increase energy. But here's the thing, in this case, we don't touch the Tai Sui. We just understand the concept first. As we go along, once we move into higher tier, we will merge the Tai Sui. Now our focus is understand what does it mean first. 太岁 comes later. You see, as we go along, once we do more complicated stuff, we merge everything together. Then we see, everything makes sense in it. Okay? Because this health topic, actually, is a very complicated topic. When I look,
Question. Sorry. Oh,
yeah,
sorry. Go ahead.
carry on.
No, I just wanted to ask about the doctor and the E. So, does this help in any way, or is just saying that the grandmother is seeing both Chinese and Western doctor?
You see, the doctor is over here, the E is over here. The condition is either one of them have to clash the problem star. Is any of them clashing the problem star?
No.
No, right? So in this case, the TCM and then the doctor also cannot help.
Okay, okay.
So it's kind of like a hopeless case. But anyhow, talking about the health situation, this health topic, when I first learned, I also don't understand what you're talking about. I don't even know what the master was talking about. I have totally no idea because it was so complicated. Whatever I'm presenting to you is a watered down version. As we go along, it's going to be even much more complicated when we do the destiny chart. So whatever that you can learn now, please try to absorb as much as possible because this is considered very basic. As we go along, it's going to be very, very tough. Okay. One of the toughest topic in human. Okay, so far, Ken?
Master, can we see from the chart that the grandmother may go away in, say, November, December? We were to count the months based on what you taught us earlier.
November, why you say November, December?
I just count like the January is box number 1, then count that way, count clockwise. Is that how we do it?
Should be
We
October,
could,
November, right?
Be
now is
October, November.
7.
Mm.
You're talking about here?
Ah,
Yeah, possible.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's move on to a few more complicated ones. This is very easy. Okay, next one.